You're a busy service business owner. You're juggling schedules, managing crews, and keeping customers happy. The last thing you need is to spend hours manually entering data between ServiceTitan and QuickBooks. Sound familiar? Context. Integrating ServiceTitan with QuickBooks can be a game changer for your efficiency and accuracy. By connecting these two powerful platforms, you can automate data flow, eliminate manual entry, and gain valuable insights into your business's financial health. Benefits of integration. Streamlined workflow. Say goodbye to double entry. Automatically sync customer information, invoices, payments, and expenses between ServiceTitan and QuickBooks. Reduced errors. Minimize the risk of human error by eliminating manual data entry. This ensures accurate financial records and improves the reliability of your financial reports. Improved cash flow. Track payments and receivables in real time. Get a clearer picture of your cash flow and make informed decisions about your business finances. Increased productivity. Free up valuable time for more important tasks by automating your accounting processes. Focus on growing your business instead of spending hours on data entry. Enhanced reporting. Access comprehensive financial reports with ease. Gain valuable insights into your business performance. Identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Step-by-step integration guide. Check for compatibility. Ensure that your versions of ServiceTitan and QuickBooks are compatible with each other. Refer to the official documentation from both platforms for the latest compatibility information. Enable API access. In your QuickBooks account, enable the API access for the application. This allows ServiceTitan to connect and exchange data with QuickBooks. Connect in ServiceTitan. Navigate to the integration section within your ServiceTitan account. Locate the QuickBooks integration and click Connect. Authorize connection. You'll be redirected to the QuickBooks login page. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and authorize the connection between the two platforms. Configure settings. Customize the integration settings to match your specific business needs. Select the QuickBooks company. Choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect with ServiceTitan. Map accounts. Map ServiceTitan accounts, e.g., income, expenses, to their corresponding accounts in QuickBooks. Define sync rules. Specify which data should be synced between the two platforms and how often the synchronization should occur. Test the integration. Once the connection is established, run a test sync to ensure that data is flowing correctly between ServiceTitan and QuickBooks. Monitor the integration. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure that data is syncing smoothly and accurately. Address any issues promptly to maintain data integrity. Tips for a successful integration. Clean data. Before connecting, ensure that your data in both ServiceTitan and QuickBooks is accurate and consistent. Regularly review and update. Regularly review and update your integration settings to reflect any changes in your business processes or accounting requirements. Utilize training resources. Take advantage of the training resources available from both ServiceTitan and QuickBooks to learn more about the integration process and best practices. Consider professional assistance. If you're encountering difficulties or have complex integration needs, consider seeking assistance from a qualified accountant or IT consultant. Troubleshooting common issues. Data sync errors. Identify and resolve any data sync errors by reviewing the integration logs and troubleshooting the specific issues. Connection issues. Check your internet connection and ensure that both ServiceTitan and QuickBooks are accessible. Account mapping errors. Review and correct any incorrect account mappings to ensure that data is flowing to the correct accounts in QuickBooks. Advanced integration features. Automated invoice creation. Automatically create and send invoices to customers directly from ServiceTitan, which then sync with QuickBooks. Expense tracking. Track and categorize expenses in ServiceTitan, which are then automatically recorded in QuickBooks. Payment processing. Integrate with payment gateways to process payments directly within ServiceTitan and automatically record transactions in QuickBooks. Real-world examples. Scenario 1. An HVAC company uses ServiceTitan to schedule appointments, track technician time, and generate invoices. By integrating with QuickBooks, they can automate invoice creation and payment processing, saving hours of manual work and improving cash flow. Scenario 2. A plumbing company uses ServiceTitan to manage customer information, schedule jobs, and track inventory. By integrating with QuickBooks, they can automatically record expenses for materials and track their profitability on each job. Integrating ServiceTitan with QuickBooks can significantly improve the efficiency and accuracy of your accounting processes. By automating data flow and eliminating manual entry, you can free up valuable time for more strategic tasks and gain a deeper understanding of your business's financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.